Losing steam. Understanding, run out of steam, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms, making them easy and fun to learn. Today, we're exploring a very interesting expression, run out of steam. Whether you're an English language learner aiming to sound more like a native or just curious about English idioms, you're in the right place. Let's get started and uncover the meaning behind this steamy phrase. Run out of steam is a popular idiom used to describe losing the energy, enthusiasm, or momentum needed to continue doing something. It originates from the era of steam engines, which would stop moving once they ran out of steam. In everyday language, it's applied to situations or people to indicate that they can no longer maintain their current level of activity or enthusiasm due to exhaustion or lack of resources. To help you understand how to use run out of steam in context, let's look at some examples. After jogging for 30 minutes, I completely ran out of steam and had to take a break. The debate team started strong but ran out of steam toward the end of the competition. My friend was excited about learning guitar, but he ran out of steam after a few weeks and stopped practicing. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various situations, from physical activities to projects or any tasks requiring sustained effort. Incorporating run out of steam into your conversations can make your English sound more natural and expressive. Here are some tips. Use it when describing situations where someone could not continue something due to tiredness or lack of interest. It's suitable for both formal and informal contexts, but it tends to appear more in casual conversation. Combine it with other expressions of exhaustion or motivation to enrich your vocabulary. For example, I ran out of steam, and now I can't muster the energy to finish this. We hope this exploration of run out of steam has energized your English learning journey, rather than leaving you feeling, well, out of steam. Remember, idioms like this one add color and depth to your conversations, helping you express ideas in a more vivid and culturally nuanced way. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use run out of steam when the moment is right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.